Hello. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, give Shirley high five. Very. Yeah. Okay, let's start, my dear. Okay. How are you today? I'm happy. Okay, let's start, my dear. What is this? What? Water. Bubbles and toys. Okay, now where are the bubbles? The bubbles. How about the toys? Toys. How about the water? Water. Very good. Next one. Let's have. What is this? Towel, sponge, and let's take a bath. Where is the towel? Towel. Okay, now let's have your body parts, my dear. What is this? Head. Head. Very good. Arm. Arm. Very good. That's one. Leg. Foot. Hand. Hand. Very good. Okay, now where's the head? Head. Very good. How about the arm? Arm. Okay, where's the foot? Foot. Hand. Okay, follow the shirt. I can move my head. I can move my head. Arm. I can move my arm. I can move my arm. Okay, next one. Let's have your things that move. What is this? Vroom, vroom. Car. Vroom, vroom. Truck. Beep, beep, bus. Choo, choo. Choo, choo, train. Whoosh, whoosh. Airplane. Okay, now where is the airplane, my dear? Where's the airplane? Airplane. How about the car? Car. Where's the car? How about the bus? Beep, beep, bus. Beep, beep, bus. Bus. Okay, that's the end of our test. High five, my dear. High five. Okay, goodbye.